I just got this new G-Force Rift helmet. I'm one step closer to getting on the track. I hope to see you guys there. Let's go all in together. So as you guys know, I've got an autocross event coming up here in a couple weeks, and I'm doing a few things to get the car ready, but there's one more thing that's really important, and that is safety. So for this autocross event, there's not a lot for safety that we need to do, but I do need a helmet. And so I got this, and I am so excited to open it that I didn't even wait to get it out of the big brown box that it came in, but I did wait to open up this box. So let's see what's inside, and hopefully it fits, and we'll go from there. So let's just get this bad boy open, and then I'll tell you a little bit more about what my decision-making process was, how I picked this helmet, how I found it, etc. Right on. Straight off the bat, we've got a couple G-Force stickers. Put those over there. I've got pads. These fitting pads will go inside the helmet if needed. Just a modular way of making the helmet fit more heads better. It's probably pretty good. I've got a small head. I bought a small helmet. Hopefully it fits. We're gonna find out. This is pretty sweet. So the helmet itself comes in its own bag, so we can get rid of this. And I went with the black one. I got a yellow car right now. Figured black helmet matches. So let's see what we've got. All right. Protected pretty well. There it is. Looking sweet. Looking sweet. All right, so try it on real quick, and then I will show you guys a little bit more. So we'll take just a quick walk around of the helmet. There's some good vents on the side. There were two different G-Force helmets that I was looking at. I don't remember the name of the other one, but it was in about the same price range. Like I said before, this one is the Rift. I really like the way the front vents look down here. The other ones were horizontal, not vertical. And then we've got some vents up here. So it should be good breathing. And we'll flip it over. Looks pretty snug. So we'll try it on and we'll go from there. All right, moment of truth. See if this puppy fits. Undo this chin strap. Slide it on. So straight away, feeling a little pressure right in my temple. So I'm going to take a look in here. These pads can be removed. I'm just going to put that on and see if that relieves the pressure. Obviously, we're going to want pads on when we're driving. One thing about a helmet that I was reading, it makes sense to me. It's going to be a little bit like a pair of shoes. You want it tighter when you buy them because they're going to expand a little bit when you wear them. Obviously, for shoes, it's a preference thing. For a helmet, it is more of a safety thing. So let's give this puppy another go. Oh yeah. Now if I knew how to get my visor up, it'd be a lot better. All right, so it feels pretty good without those. So what I want to do is get the visor up so I can breathe and so I can talk to you. We'll put these pieces back in. So I don't know what the issue was the last time. It actually fits really good, nice and snug. My head doesn't move. I'm not gonna put the chin strap on. I don't know if you can even hear me, but I dig it. I dig it. I'm really fucking excited. I'm really excited. So to give you guys a little more info on how I found this helmet and why I picked this one, I went to Summit Racing. I did a Google search originally, and Summit Racing came up with a lot of different options that were in a lower price range. Obviously, if I continue racing, or as I continue racing and get better and do more stuff, I will upgrade probably to a different helmet. But to start off, this one is a really nice helmet. I think it looks really cool. As I mentioned, the vents here look pretty badass. It is Snell SA 2020 rated, so it's the newest regulations for Snell. They put them out every 5 years. A lot of the 2010s now aren't allowed for a lot of different stuff. The 2015s will be the next to go. So it is one of the newest as far as Snell regulations, which is one of the main safety groups out there determining how good a helmet is. I've never had a helmet before. I've had cars before, and I've worked on cars, but this is a step in the right direction. It's got me really stoked. So I hope to see you guys out in a couple weeks with the helmet on, in the car, on the track, and we'll go all in. But until then, I just want to say thank you for watching my new channel, and I'm really excited to start this content and go on this racing journey with you guys. So until next time, see ya.